How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, we have to start by opening Facebook application and simply go to your profile on the top right and click on setting and privacy on the bottom and go for your settings. Once you are in settings, click on this account center, which will be on the top. Now here click on this personal details under the account and go for this account ownership and control. Now the second option is deactivation or deletion. After that you have to select your desired account. Now once you're here, as you can see, there are two options. The first one is deactivate your account or the second one is delete your account. So you have to simply select deactivate account and click on continue. After that you have to give the password of your Facebook account and then you can simply deactivate your account. So that's how basically you can deactivate Facebook account.